So I'm going to make chicken cacciatore, which is a very classic Italian dish. I'm gonna brown the chicken, and I have a marinara sauce already made. This is a dish that my mom used to make, still makes. Cacciatore means hunter. This was basically like a hunter's dish. It's almost like a stew in a way. And you're using things, hence the mushrooms. But it is something that you kind of want to eat more almost in the fall. Hey, this is a good pan, just so you know. Oh, I didn't realize it was mine. Okay, so once all this is brown, we're gonna take these out. Now, some onions, a little garlic. Okay, then the chicken is gonna go back in. I'm gonna add a little white wine now. Okay, tomatoes gonna go in. And then we can add the peppers and the mushrooms. Lower the heat, and that's it. Then let that cook for like half an hour and put that in, 10 minutes, if, that's it. Here's the finished dish, chicken cacciatore. Well, that's what we'll be having for lunch today.